Okay, you can let go. It is right here. That looks like it's more than 1.5 inches to me. Okay, so let's measure this to see how much we dropped it. We dropped it about 1.75 inches. Cool. So they said 1.5 inches, we got 1.75 inches, same ballpark. So if we look at the bike right now, I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna crank these struts all the way up, get the maximum ride height out of this thing to start with. So this, you look right down here, you can see our collar right here. This rotates, and it's a stepper right here. So we can use this and rotate it. I'm sure there's a special tool for this. And this is what we got. Okay, let's see if we can grab it right. As high as that one goes. It doesn't seem like I'm right up the chrome at all. We're gonna adjust the other one up. As high as this one goes. It might be harder to see because there's this tiny little saddlebag over here. So, oops. Oh, oops, yeah, scuffed it up. Okay, so both those are as high as they can go. Let's measure this thing now. Grab a stick, right over here, go. Okay, hold your stick up there. Where are we at on it? Put it right in the middle of this thing. Ish. Okay, so we are right about here. Okay, let go.
We're right about in between the M and the N.
Actually, so there we are. So let's measure that. So we started with the factory suspension on this in the lowest possible position. We put our lowering bracket on it, and that dropped it a total of about 1.75 inches.
Damn!
We took our factory suspension and we cranked it up into the highest possible position, which gave us a drop of about 1 inch. So looks like we have between 1 inch and 1.75 inches for the drop that we can do with this with the factory struts on here. Right now it's at 1 inch lower than it was before. The struts, I got the springs cranked up, so it might be a little bit of a harder ride. And with this set up in the position it is right now, I'm gonna drive this around for a few days. We'll finish the video, I'll give you an honest review of it. I'm probably gonna see if I can find a washer to fit in this thing. I mean, it's not gonna affect anything being a little loose right there. It just kind of bothers me. All right, so I'll see you guys in a couple of days. We'll finish up this video and we'll see what happens. Stay tuned, make sure you subscribe below. Carry on.